Hello there, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here to tell you the dark pool whispers of the week for May 7th, 2018. What are we going to be trading this week? What levels should we watch? Where is the dark pool buying and selling? Well, that's what I'm going to share with you in this video today. I'm going to cover all of the sectors, all the major index ETFs, gold, silver, copper, oil, financials, technology, emerging markets, telecommunications, you name it, even cryptocurrency. So let's start with the SPY. Yeah, the SPY is at a really cool place right now. We are above 264.46, which was the biggest dark pool level that we've had since 2015. However, there is one level above us that's pretty large, 267.74. Yep, February 8th, we had 35 million dark pool level. That's really big. Normally we get a couple of million to 8 to 10 million. Anything over 10, we're going to play print pong. It goes back and forth. So that's a key level going into this week. I'm going to be bullish above 268. If we can break above that, and you can see I've drawn quite a lot of trend lines on my chart. If we break above that, then I can see a move to about 272, testing this upper trend line. So let's move on to the Russell ETF, IWM. So I'm going to be bullish. The red lines that I've drawn on my charts, yep, those are the bullish above and bearish below. So bullish above 156.89. If we can break above that this week, a lot of room to run up. There was a big level there March 16th. I'm going to be bearish below 152.50. If we break below that, could see a retest down to that 200 moving average perhaps. So that's really key levels to watch. Let's go on to the NASDAQ ETF, the QQQs. I'm going to be bullish above 165. You can see there is like tons of room to move up. And then I'm going to be bearish below 161. That's a pretty key dark pool level. 161.81 actually. Yeah, we had that this week, May 3rd and May 4th. And really large, about 5 million in dark pool action, which is a lot. So that's why I would be bearish if we were to go and close below that. So let's go to the Dow Jones ETF, DIA. We're going to be bullish above 243.33, same level as last week, as that was a really big dark pool level. And we're going to be bearish below 240. Okay, so let's go on to gold. Yeah, GLD. We had a 1 million share print May 4th on Friday at 124.54. So I'm going to be bullish above 125. If we can come up here, you know, here's this V shape. If we can break up through 125, I absolutely love it. We've held that 200. And let's just move to GDX. GDX, I'm going to be bullish above 23. If we can break to this upper channel, there's room to about, 24.50, 25. All right, so that's a key level. And also ABX. Yeah, we had a lot of prints April 30th, around that 13.49 level. It's been consolidating. Going to be bullish if we could stay above 13.50 this week. And we got to talk about IAU. This is the dark pool favorite. If you recall, we were bearish below 12.71. We came down and hit another dark pool old level, 12.55. We bounced off that. So this week, if we break above 12.71, I am bullish once again for gold, except I don't trade IAU. It's way too slow. Love GLD. That's definitely my favorite gold vehicle. But we got to talk about FCX. This thing got hammered. Earnings were not great, but we did get quite a few prints that have been coming in. So I'm going to be bullish above 15.25. and I'm going to be bearish below 15. All right, so keep your eye on this. I do have a 17.50, 18 target if we do start to move up around 17.74-ish, okay? This could be a really nice move, but definitely watch those levels. And we'll watch what prints come in because we always get nice prints on that one. USLV, yeah, USLV, massive prints came in this week. This has been a great trade. We had 2.5 million big at $9.35. We had another 500,000 at 10.10. So going to be bullish if we can break above this 10.25 level. There is room to go to the top of this channel. We may have a gap fake out though. A lot of times they bring it up to the level before the gap, pull it back, and then a gap fill. And bearish below 9.25. Okay, if we break below that, look out below. But we had so much volume. Look at the volume for the weekly candle here. Just go back so you can see. This is the most amount of volume that we have seen on USLV in a very long time. Look at that. Yeah, massive. So keep your eye on this. I absolutely love it. Just really want it to break above all the prints, above 10.25. And you may want to trade SLV as another vehicle, bullish above 15.62, bearish below 15.37. So let's go to oil. Wow, oil. I've been telling you about massive prints coming into the oil sector for months, and we are bullish above right now, all those massive prints. We had another big print on USO this week, Friday, 1407, 900,000. So I'm going to be bullish moving into this week above 1420. Yeah, if we could break above there, we're going to go higher. And of course, I'm going to remain bearish if we break below 1350. We also had a pretty big print on ConocoPhillips. Yeah, I did tweet that out on the Darkpool app this week. 64.93. This was an amazing trade. 67 is really key resistance. I will be bullish if we could break above 67, 67.50 as well, next level. And yeah, BP. BP, we had 400,000 print at 44.67. So bullish above 45. As long as it stays above 45, I like it. But if it breaks below 44.50, I don't like it anymore. All right, we'll be below the prints. Let's go to financials. Yeah, financials finally moved. They were going sideways consolidation, just decaying every option out there. But we finally had a nice short position this week. I was short JP Morgan off that big print, 109.71 that I tweeted out. But XLF, let's just start with that first. We came to the bottom of this channel line and took a really nice bounce. So where are we going from here? Well, I'm going to be bullish if we could break above 28, because remember, we had all of those prints last week, tons of them, just shy of that. So I was only bullish above that last week. So yeah, we need to break above that for us to go to the top of this channel, 28.75. And let's just go back to JP Morgan. So JP Morgan, I'm going to be bullish only above 110, okay, because we'd have to clear above where they were selling last week at 109.71. And I'll be bearish if it breaks down below 106. Let's go to technology. Have you guys seen Apple? Wow, the Warren Buffett effect, buyback, you name it, earnings. This thing, you could not hold this thing down if you tried, okay? But we are getting up to the top channel here, 185. That is key resistance. If we break above that this week, it'll get parabolic to 200. So keep your eye on Apple. And let's not forget about Amazon. Yep, my daughter buys stuff off that website every single day. And I'm sure yours does too, right? So we had big prints on it. Well, I mean, 100,000 share print is big for Amazon. Okay, so we had one at 1575, and I'm going to be bullish above 1600 because look, there is so much room to the top of the channel if we could break above that really big level. So watch Amazon. And let's not forget about Google. Yeah, Goog, G-O-O-G. Yeah, I like this. Above 1050. Again, there is room. We do have some moving averages about 1075-ish area. But 1050 has been a key resistance. I watched the price action on this last week. They were selling. So if we can break above that, I could see much higher highs. And let's, of course, go to Facebook. So Facebook made a nice comeback. Yeah, from that whole data episode. Good earnings helped. But again, look, I don't look at fundamentals, pure technical. So I'm going to be bullish above 177.50 and bearish below 175 this week. We didn't get any massive prints though, but if I do see anything big, I will definitely call it out. We did get a lot of prints on VWO, that's the Emerging Markets ETF. We had 1.2 million at 45.24. This was on Friday. Yeah, and you can see big volume building up. We came down to this 250 simple moving average. So I'm going to be bullish above 45.50. There is resistance, okay, at this upper trend line. But if we can break above that 46 level, yep, we'll have a trend change. That's the T-spot. But 45.50 to 46 would be the first trade for it. And you can see I've gone all the way back to form this trend line. It's been in this downward trend line for a while. So, yep, above 46 would definitely get this thing rock and rolling. Let's go to AT&T. It's gotten absolutely clobbered. We got a couple of prints in this week. 3180, a million, 3207, half a million. So watch 3250. This thing could have a V-shape recovery. But we have this gap. So we usually take it to the strongest level, 3350, before it retraces, and then it may attempt to fill that gap in. 3250 is the key level, bullish above and bearish below 3150. Let's move on to Russia. Yeah, RSX. We had big prints coming in at 2113. So I'm going to be bullish above 2125. And again, this is that gap fake out, pulled back. So perhaps they're going to fill in that gap. We'll see. 2230 is where they would fill it in. But as long as it breaks above 2125, key level. Let's go to the car section. Yeah, Ford, massive, big, gigantic prints came in at around 1115, 2.8 million. Gonna be bullish above 1150. We had selling there last week, so that's really a key level for Ford to move up. And we also had big prints on GM. Okay, not just big prints, one massive big kahuna print. Okay, this was the biggest print I've ever seen on GM. 5.3 million. $35.84. So it's easy, okay? We're going to be bullish above 36. We closed above it, okay? So I love it. A lot of my traders in my boot camp class were trading this on Friday. Did an excellent job. If we can break above, I still love it, as long as it stays above the prints. If we can break above this 8 EMA, this 37 area, there's a lot of room to go to about 38.50 for GM. And let's not forget about steel, AKS. We had some really nice prints coming in around 450. So I'm going to be bullish above 462. And Valet, I have loved this stock this year. It's been incredible off the prints. We had some more coming in. Going to be bullish as long as it stays above 14. And we had a really nice print on KO, Coca-Cola this week. 1 million at 42, so bullish above 42.50. Now, I really hope you guys traded some crypto this week. Yeah, last week's levels were amazing. We were bullish on Bitcoin above 9,500, and you can see it's moving up. We were bullish above Ethereum above 700, and that thing's been moving up. Litecoin above 155, it's at 180. I'm going to run through those in a minute. But this week, all right, 10,000 is a huge level. I expect to see sellers there at least the first time we hit it. Let it pull back. And then if it can stay above that, that's such a key level to watch on Bitcoin. Ethereum, look at this power move, right? We loved it above 700, finally broke to the upside. And so I'm watching 800 to see if it can hold there. I'll be bullish above. And this has been my favorite, Litecoin. Yeah, I've been loving this, buying it from the 116, 125 area. And 175, key level to watch. So come watch me trade these things live. Every day I run a live trading room. I share my screen. I walk you through the trades. I teach you when to enter, when to exit. I do 2 audio meetings a day, but I'm there all day long calling out trades all in real time. Come join me at www.thestockwhisperer.com. Happy trading, everybody. That's my secret. Can you keep it? My secret. My secret.